Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Amen. So, so Tesla having just a little bit of a down day today. 5.83 down, so that's 0.75%. Closed at 775.48, and post-market we are down a further 38 cents. Okay, so what does this look like? Well, we are in a congestion zone between 75 as a support, 765 as a support and 800 as a resistance. We can already see, this is getting clearer and clearer, that we are into a symmetrical triangle. Look at this low, and this low. It's going like this. So the stock is converging. So basically people are just afraid. People don't know where the stock is going to go because Tesla is about to announce in a day or two their production numbers for this quarter. So this will have a lot of impact. So we have a red candle here. We have a longer wick at the top. So, pushing back down. But the stock is making higher lows at the same time. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, well, nothing much to see here. It's basically going sideways. That's going to be quicker. Then stochastic is going down a little bit at 73, so losing some steam there. What else? MACD still crossed over bullish, and the MI still crossed over bullish. So not much else to say. The stock is stuck into this triangle until we see some catalyst news, and then things is going to happen. Let me just go quickly on the weekly chart. I'm cheating, but this is what I'm doing with my YouTube members. So you can see here that on the weekly chart, we have reached here the top of the channel, even reached the double channel here. So from a technical perspective, maybe this is an indication that things might be going down. But we'll see. News can often, news can impact the stock in surprising ways. So it's very hard to predict what is going to happen. So that's going to be it for me today. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.